Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to connect TapSwap with Binance. This tutorial will be quick and simple, so make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video. And now I will also leave a link to TapSwap and to Binance in the description below for you to check it out. I will also earn some commission and you will earn too by signing up through my link. So once you are on TapSwap, you will see all of these options. And basically on tasks, on the second one, you will see like cinema, special, leaks, and ref. So you want to go ahead and click on special, and here you will see, you should see at least, an option to connect your Binance account. If you don't see it like I do, it may appear later, but if you see it, just click on it, and then you will need to go ahead and enter your Binance user ID user ID number. And to find that number, you want to go to Binance and click at the top left corner on Binance logo. And here you will see your user ID at the top. And once you click on it, it's just gonna copy. And that's it. You then go back to TapSwap and just enter that user ID there. And that's it. That's how you connect your Binance to TapSwap. If this video was helpful, guys, make sure to subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.